What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, we're going to talk about support and resistance lines, what to look out for, how to use support and resistance lines, mental price areas. This is going to be a fun video to do, and I hope you all enjoy it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors, and be sure to check out the Trading Learning 101 video library. I have over 300 videos ranging on all kinds of different topics, and I have all kinds of playlists that I've put a lot of hard work into to help you find what you're looking for so you can grow and learn as an investor and as a trader. Let's jump into the video. So support and resistance lines. What I want to get out of the way first. What I like to do as a trader, I like to look at price areas at mental levels. The mental price levels that I like to look out for an example, we'll start with $1 is the first mental price level I like to look out for. Always when you're looking at a chart, look at mental levels. Somebody's not just going to randomly buy at $1.10, $1.15. They're always going to trade around mental levels. So somebody's going to want to try to buy 1,000 shares, for an example, at $1 and then try to sell that 1,000 shares at $1.25. Every dollar is going to act as natural support and resistance. $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, and then back to the whole dollar mental level. So every 25 cents, every 50 cents, every 75 cents, and every whole dollar is going to act as natural support and resistance. $1 is going to be the strongest mental support and resistance line in the stock market, especially if you're trading low cap stocks. You have to think about it. It's a lot of psychology in the stock market. If you have a stock that's below $1, an official penny stock, and it's approaching $1 and it's trying to break that $1 level. If it breaks that $1, it's officially going from a piece of crap penny stock to the official $1 club. It is an official $1 stock. And then above that, the next biggest and strongest support and resistance level is going to be $10. $10 is going to be the next mental biggest support and resistance level. Every $10 in the stock market, $10, $20, $30, and so on and so on. And then the next and final biggest mental level in the stock market is 100. Same analogy as the penny stock going from 99 cents to $1, and same analogy as the stock going from $9 to $10 and $99 to $100. Let's back up a little bit. A stock is officially going from $9, a single $1 stock, to an official double-digit stock now at $10. And we got a stock at $99 approaching $100. It's officially going from a 2-digit stock to a 3-digit stock at 100. So those are all of your mental price levels that you want to know, and when you're looking at charts, you want to try to follow those price levels. So let's get into support and resistance now. I have ADVM brought up on the chart right here. This had a good example on it today, and I want to plot it out. We have $22 right here, and if we draw a line from $22 all the way across to it right there, we can see the stock was all resistance all right here. It could not get above $22, and it kept falling back down to $21.50, 50 cents. It kept falling down to $21.50 right there, and it just went back and forth from $21.50 to $22. Broke through that $21.50, shorts jumped in, thought it was a short, stock came right back up and reclaimed $21.50 and surged over that 22 level up to $22.25 or $22.50, and when it pulled back, Look at right in the area it pulled back to. Old resistance is now holding as support. All right here, $22. This is stuff that you want to look out for if you're day trading, swing trading, paying attention to detail with stocks, and trusting in your lines. That's what it's all about in the stock market. Stock holds here at 22 and it runs all the way up to 23.75. Then the stock retraces all the way down right here. And look at right where it bounced at, right here, at $22 again, up to $22.50 for a nice 50-cent scalp. Bounces right where it bounced, right here, old resistance, for a nice little 50-cent pop. There's all kinds of opportunities on charts. Pay attention to price levels that stocks are trying to get through or holding at, and once a stock pushes through an important level, plot that line on the chart. You have to look at stocks as people. They have memory. All stocks have memory. Let's look at another example here on MGNX. This time we'll draw our line at $14. We draw our line at $14. Stock runs up, could not break through it right there, got halted, pops up, and you see all these long wicks breaking through that resistance line. You have to think of support and resistance lines as trampolines. Don't look at support and resistance lines as walls. A stock is not just gonna come down, bounce off of it, and just pop back up. Sometimes it'll do that. You have to think of these support and resistance lines as if they have some type of elastic to it, like a rubber band trampoline. So if a stock comes down, it's gonna push through that line a little bit sometimes and then pop right back up. Or in this case, it's gonna push up and push up through it a little bit, fail, and fall right back down like it did right here. So $14, that whole mental level is getting denied. Got denied right here, it's getting denied right there, and then when it finally pushes up through that $14 level, it pushes all the way up to $16. Let the stock top out, don't chase after it, let it pull back down, and look what happened. It bounces right here at $14, pops up to $14.50, and even $15, all right here. Stock comes back down, and then it fails. It falls below it right there. And you could see it all acting as resistance all right here. Finally gets back above it, holding above it, still holding above it, all right here, just holding, and then pushes right off of it back up to $15, slowly trends back down, bounces right off of 14 again, and then all the way back up to $16.50. Pay close attention to mental price levels and how a stock reacts at mental price levels. Stop trying to pay attention if a stock's trying to find support at a random level, like 1365. It's trying to hold as support and drawing a line right at 1365. Always try to stick to mental levels because majority of the people are playing off of mental levels. You want to try to see what other people are seeing, and that's what the stock market's all about. Trying to be on the same page as everybody else. On the same page as the smart money. Don't try to be on the same page as the dumb money. I hope you guys were able to understand that and liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. I'll appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, again, please subscribe. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. And until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?